Unë dëshiroj pa humbur kohë të ftoj ambasadorin e Mbretërisë Holandës, shkëlqësinë e tij, zotin ambasador Reinout Vos, ta adresoj tryezën duke e falenderuar njëkohësisht në emër të INFOCIP për gjithë mbështetjen që i ka dhënë këtij programi 2 vjeçar të asistencës dhe vlerësimit.
Thank you, Gertie, for organizing this this seminar today and for producing the report, The Length of Adjudication in Appeal Comparison 2016-2023 and in the Identification of Cases Sentenced Beyond Reasonable Time Limits. And I quote this title to illustrate in what detail we are discussing the judiciary nowadays, which is good, which is important, but which is also a challenge for me, as I'm not an expert at all. But that is precisely what it is all about, and that's why I appreciate so much Mr. Matani and Mrs. Lagami to be here and to be open in your presentation and comments towards the wider public, including NGOs, on what is needed, what are the challenges, and what is the way forward. Because that is what we, with our MATRA projects, aim to do, open up technical debates on the EU accession process, in this case on the reform of the judiciary, and have a wider discussion with the wider public as we consider rule of law still the #1 issue on the agenda on the path of Albania towards the European Union. And that path is now going quite well, especially since Albania took a number of very courageous steps, the vetting being worldwide a unique step to take, actually, and the dangerous steps, as both Mr. Matani and Mrs. Lagami illustrated, said this means you lose a lot of staff. You will have to train new staff. You will have as the shop is under construction, but in the meantime, the business goes on. Not easy, a great challenge. So all understanding that this is indeed the problem we have at hand today is one of those issues that turns up, of course. You get backlogs, and some of the procedures take much too much time. Is that just a matter of a lack of staff, a lack of support staff? Perhaps it is, but perhaps, and I think that is the discussion that INFOCIP now is picking up, perhaps there are also more creative solutions than just having more staff, prioritizing. There are a number of other issues on the table. This is a project in the framework of our open court through press judges. Press judges means that the judiciary is open to the public, explains what it is doing, it's accountable to the wider public, and that is what we want to see, where we can have these open discussions on how to improve the judicial procedures. Indeed, as it was already said, in the end, justice delayed is justice denied. It is a serious problem, and again, I appreciate very much that we have this important report now at hand, and that we have an open discussion with the most high representatives of the judiciary today at our table. Thank you very much.